Tumblr channel. This is just a short episode. I'll be making like a challenge. I'll be using this camera, this old digital camera that we have. We have Sony Cybershot. This is an old one. This is the very first camera that my wife bought here in Dubai, and it is still here with us. So see, I will show you what it looks like. So I'll take a video using my cell phone so that you will have an idea of what the camera looks like. There you go. That's the Sony. Let's see what's the quality, and let's just check the quality, the audio, the video quality, and yeah, just to make use of this camera, because I don't want to. I told my wife not to throw this away, because this has, or call me materialistic, but this has some, let's say, sentimental value. It's worth keeping. We will have our favorite pizza soon, so we'll try to make some B-roll, and yep, we'll make a video using this camera. This is not a sponsored vlog for this favorite pizza of ours. I just want to use this camera and also want to use this pizza as my subject for this challenge, using this old Sony Cybershot digital camera. We have now, we have pepperoni. This is pepperoni?
No. No, Farmville? Farmville.
What?
Farmville?
Ooh.
This one? Yeah, this one is smokehouse. This one is smokehouse.
Also, this is Farmville. Smokehouse. And this one, Margarita. And chicken tenders, and we have some soft drinks. Easy from the games, huh? What were you playing? Minecraft, okay. You're playing with whom?
No one.
I remove the lid.
How's the pizza? Is pizza one of your favorites, like Nanay's?
Yeah.
Ooh. How about you? Are you like Nanay?
I couldn't taste that.
Yep.
Nom.
Yummy.
That looks old.
No pudding.
Why am I wearing hat? This is not sponsored. So this is one of the reasons why we like naked pizza. As you can see in the box, it's not soaked with oil. And look at this one. It's very dry. And the pizzas itself, see that? They're not oily. And they taste good. Like for this one, the meat, it has pepperoni, I think, and then turkey ham. And this meatballs, they call them, they call this hamburger. And they taste good. Unlike, if you compare it to other pizza brands, it's dry. And this one is very tasty, and it's a bit juicy. Again, this is not sponsored. We just love this pizza. So this is the Sony Cybershot, a 7.2 megapixels camera. It has 2.4 inch LCD display, this one, and it has 3 times optical zoom. It can capture 320 by 240 video at 30 frames per second. And the storage, it uses Memory Stick Duo or MS Pro Duo memory card. Good thing I still have that card reader which I got from Bransford S. It takes time to transfer the files from this camera to my MacBook, because I don't have compatible cables from this camera to my Mac. So yeah, but I still managed to transfer them. So yeah, this is
how it looks like. See, look at the lens. It's very old. Now, talking about the video, obviously it's not a good quality, so thumbs down to that. The audio also, it's not good. I didn't attach any microphone on it because there's no option for me to add an extra microphone. There's no jack, so I was just using the built-in microphone, this one. And this is the memory card, this one, Memory Stick Pro Duo. It only has 1 GB memory. With the same question, would I still keep it? Big yes, because we don't know. Like for this one, I want to use it to get a, you can use it in your future vlog episodes, so who knows. So I am still keeping this one. So yeah, how about you? Are you keeping your old cameras like this one, or are you still using them? Or what are your plans with your old cameras? Are you keeping them or you're throwing them away? You may leave your comments in the comment section below. Yeah, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Salamat!